What would Morrígan do? We have Monology, and that is my reimagining of the Morrígan story. So you get to just sit down by your fireside and listen to a beautiful story. Out of the ancient story come the next part, which is Manatra, which is the meditation. The ancient words bubble up across the millennia out of the cairns and caves where our ancient ancestors meditated. These beautiful words, these beautiful sounds bubble up and whisper to us, and they're the sounds that we use as we go into meditation. It's based on the acronym SHE, S-H-E. You'll notice all the time that we are using the Celtic three, the power of three things interwoven, life, death and rebirth, which is what the Morrígan is all about, that you are going to have to die a little in order to be reborn. Out of the manatras, we will then do a beautiful practice which is called manifesting.